Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th mathematics chapter number 14 aesthetics, most important question of Telangana State Board. We already see that, and Andhra State Board also, but in this we are going to see the fill in the blanks. Okay, now this is a very important here, so this video is especially recommended for the Andhra and Telangana. So the student who Andhra and Telangana, they can watch this one. Okay, so let's see this here and complete this. Okay, so if you want to check something interesting in this one, so you can check out in the previous video, otherwise you can check out from here also, right? So let's see this here. Okay, well, so till 17 you can check out. Okay, so then after you can see the 18 to the 27 till here. So 28 you can check out also, then 29 to 34. Okay, so I will show you answer sheet also, so don't be confused in this one. Make sure that is clear for you. Well, if it is clear for you, then see this 35 to 39. Okay, is it right? Okay, so then see the answer sheet also. Okay, 18 to 38, this is the answer sheet here. Okay, so if it is clear, right, so if it is clear for you, then we will meet another video. So let's see you again. Jai Hind.